Alright guys, welcome to another episode of my vlog, and today I'm gonna show you something strange. Let me give you a peek at what's in store. See this? If you guys don't know what this is, then keep on watching. Alright guys, I know you're wondering what's inside this ice cream container. It's not ice cream, definitely. Hear that? It's got rocks in there. But the rocks inside here are very special rocks because they're part alien. They're not exactly meteorites, and I'll just show them to you. Okay, so now we're going to unbox this ice cream container, which contains rocks that are part alien. And why are they part alien? It's because they are. So this is one of them. And here's another. Okay, let me put them here. And here's another. See those grooves? Very alien looking rocks. And look at this one. See? Alien rocks. There, focused. And bring this closer to you so you can see them in more detail. Specimens here. Yeah. So I know some of you already have an idea what these are. Okay, so these are rocks, no doubt about it. But these rocks are special because these were created also during the Pleistocene age when an asteroid crashed down here on Earth. And these are, so when the asteroid came down, it released all of these molten material that combined the elements of the asteroid and the Earth, and produced these globules, molten globules that flew into the air. They flew into the air, solidifying into the upper atmosphere, and then when they came down, they remelted, producing these grooves. When they fell down, so these grooves melted. Those grooves, like this. So these were the parts that melted again from the solidified material, and they fell down to Earth looking like this. A tortured piece of asteroid and Earth rock. And these are called Tektites. plenty of tektites here, and you can still find them in riverbanks, near lakes, or those areas where few people go to, if you're lucky enough to visit those places. Just a few of the samples that I found very interesting. I got some very nice tektite specimens here. There, let me focus now. Okay, there you have it. Alien rocks, or part alien rocks. And I hope you like the episode where you've seen these rocks, and yeah, I hope you like these alien rocks. Okay, there.